There you are, standing up. Yay.
Too cloudy. No, you don't need that stuff.
She wants Grampy's paper and pen. She wants it so bad, but he just won't get it. Is that Lainey's picture?
Is that Lainey? Is that Lainey? Yeah, there's little Lainey.
Another thing you
There's
can't
Lainey.
have. Another thing. Oh,
Well, it's okay. We'll get some more of you. We'll take some more.
Oh, no.
But it's okay though. Here.
Look at that. You have to put it in her mouth. Oh my goodness.
Are you ready to take a nap, huh? Are you ready?